All right, let's learn a few more nouns. Remember to absolutely memorize the article that goes with a noun. There's no way around that. You just have to memorize it. And native speakers just memorize through practice. So the more you practice, the better off you'll be. The sheet of paper, das Blatt Papier, das Blatt Papier, das Blatt Papier. The pencil, der Bleistift, der Bleistift, der Bleistift. The window, das Fenster, das Fenster, das Fenster. Okay, so let's review and apply. So the sheet of paper, do you remember? It's Blatt Papier. Did you memorize the article with Blatt Papier? Das Blatt Papier. The pencil, der Bleistift, der Bleistift. The window, das Fenster, das Fenster. So when you know nouns, you can start making complete sentences. So we're going to use the verb sein, remember to be. If you want to say the sheet of paper is, it would be das Blatt Papier ist. Das Blatt Papier ist. And then we'll follow that up with an adjective in just a minute. The pencil is. So you know the pencil, der Bleistift, and ist, der Bleistift ist. And the window is. Das Fenster ist. Das Fenster ist. So we have our adjectives that we know already. Big, groß, small, klein, old, alt, and new, neu. Okay, so now we can make complete sentences. The sheet of paper is big. Das Blatt Papier ist groß. The sheet of paper is small. Das Blatt Papier ist klein. The sheet of paper is old. Das Blatt Papier ist alt. The sheet of paper is new. Das Blatt Papier ist neu. The pencil. The pencil is big. Der Bleistift ist groß. The pencil is small. Der Bleistift ist klein. The pencil is old. Der Bleistift ist alt. The pencil is new. Der Bleistift ist neu. The window. The window is big. Das Fenster ist groß. The window is small. Das Fenster ist klein. The window is old. Das Fenster ist alt. The window is new. Das Fenster ist neu. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.